Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we will show you guys on E-Class W211 Mercedes E-Class from 2003 to 2009 how to remove and replace the leather boot on the shifter. Okay, if you want to replace that boot with the shifter, guys, we'll show you how to do that now. Stay with us and let's go ahead and do that now. So you need to get a prying tool. Okay, we have the links for the tools we use on our website mechaniclifestyle.com, and towards the front side you need to lift it up. Okay, then you're going to pull it out, and we have the wires, okay, right here. So on this one you're going to press here and pull it out, and you need to disconnect, okay, this one as well. Now you can actually, okay, what you need to do, make sure you have the park brake on. Okay, park brake is on. You can click that switch, the override switch, and put it, okay, in neutral. Okay, like that. So now we can lift it up, okay, all the way like that. Next, okay, that twisty thing on the bottom you need to turn counterclockwise, okay, like that, and then you pull straight up. Next, if you guys need to remove the leather boot, okay, right here there is 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to gently pry it, okay. Okay, you see, you need to gently pry it out, okay, and once one side goes out, usually it comes out pretty easy. Okay guys, and this is the shifter boot right here. That's how you guys remove it, that's how you replace it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.